Good morning, my little angel faces. I am currently editing the video that you guys are about to watch right now, and I realized that I didn't even get that much footage, so I'm so sorry that this is gonna be a little sporadic, but at least you get to see like me kind of, going through like the 48-hour glow up. While I'm editing, I'm enjoying myself a little brown sugar shaken espresso. It was actually like really triggering this morning because he made my coffee so white, and I don't know if you guys know this, but my coffee was made so white, like it was like literally as white as my throat here. And I told him, I was like, could you remake this for me? Sorry. I was like, I'm so sorry, I know that this is like really annoying. And he kind of like looked at me like he was gonna be like no, like he wanted to say no, but at the same time he was like, okay, I kind of feel bad, so yeah. And then he was like, okay, so next time just ask for another espresso shot. He was like, but yeah, I'll remake it for you. And I was like, thank you, I appreciate you so much. Like, I always hate inconveniencing people, but also like I've just realized that if I don't speak up, then I'm gonna be inconvenienced. And my drink has always been this color whenever I get this drink, and that's why I get it. And if it's gonna be white, I just can't drink it because it's not coffee, love. It's literally milk. Point of the story, my ADHD is literally getting the best of me right now. Watch me have a makeover in 48 hours for my 25th birthday. If you guys haven't already watched my birthday shoot preparation video, it is in the last video, and it was so much fun. The whole making of my birthday shoot slash video was just so fire, so crazy. We did like live rain, so it was just insane. But I am going to be doing a little bit of a talk throughout this video because I want to make it feel like you guys were there. But I was in situations where I was like, okay, I can't really like talk much or like vlog much while I'm getting like this pamper treatment because I'm also trying to enjoy myself. So come along with me as I glow up. Here I'm getting my nails done. Keep in mind I have not gotten my nails done in literally so freaking long, loves. Like I swear it's been like 3 months or something ridiculous like that. But if you guys want to go to my nail tech, you guys definitely should let her know that I sent you guys. Her name is nkm_acrylics on Instagram. She's so fire. She reached out to me on TikTok and she was like, let me do your nails. And honestly, I took a while until I responded just because I literally did not even see the message until later on. And then it just so happened that I needed to get my nails done for my birthday, and I was like, oh my god, perfect timing. So got my nails done. She did me right, guys. We took like kind of a long time, but she would have been done so much sooner if I would have just like shut up, because her and I would just like talked up a storm. But it was like one of those conversations where you're just like, this is such a vibe. Like we drank some energy drinks, we were just like gossiping, like, just like all the cheese and stuff. It was so much fun. So you guys definitely should go book with her. She's so fire. Like I love it.
One eternity later.
It has been a long couple days of pampering, and guess what, tomorrow I have to go work, which I'm very grateful for. I'm gonna be going to Fashion Nova, and don't look at the mess. If there's a mess, just don't look at it. So this top is from Forever 21, by the way, if you guys wanted to know. And I'm wearing these little shorts from Fashion Nova. Look at my nails. They're so freaking cute. This is not doing it justice. I'm gonna be putting a video right here what they look like. If you guys haven't looked at them, they're probably most likely on Instagram. And I also did my toes. I'll show you guys a little up close right now, because no free dogs. I'm just gonna show you guys like the actual toenails. I have never done French tips on my toes, and let alone acrylics. So I'm very excited. I did obviously a birthday Hello Kitty theme. So freaking cute. I'm actually very tan right now, but you can't tell like at all in this lighting. And also my toes, like the big toe is Hello Kitty, and it's so freaking cute. I need to go to bed. It is currently 10 and I have to get up at 7 in the morning. Yeah, like 7 in the morning, so I can leave by like 7:30ish and get to work by 8:30, which is the time that I have to be there. And it's all the way down in downtown LA. I hate going down there, but I'm very grateful. I'm gonna be going to work tomorrow. It's gonna be the day before my birthday. Yeah, and so all my pampering stuff is pretty much done. I just have to get my brows laminated. So tomorrow after work, I'm gonna go to my brow girl brow slash lash girl. I'm not getting my lashes done though. I just removed mine actually because I'm gonna be getting my makeup done on the 19th, my actual birthday, in the morning with Rubina. But yeah, I'm excited. My brows are very straight right now, and they're gonna be all like this, all up and fluffy and like tinted, and they're gonna be so delicious tomorrow, so you'll see. But time for me to go to sleep. But let me show you guys my toe art first. Now this is a different nail tech. I found her just on my explore page, and I was like, you know what, she has some firework. Here are the toesies, and then here are the nails. I'm just so obsessed with the fact that I did a glam Hello Kitty toes and nails for this year, because I just feel like that's just such my vibe. Like I want it to be like cutesy girly but like sexy, like sparkly glam, like how I usually do. So it was pretty much like what I do all the time, but with like a twist. And I just love everything about both of these sets. They came out so perfect. And here is some footage that I didn't show you guys in the previous video of the behind the scenes of me doing my rain shoot. Look how fire, like everything was so fire. Here is some of the flowers that I received for my birthday. This is like only some of them, guys. Like this was insane. I got these from Fashion Nova. Thank you so much to my Fashion Nova family. I got these beautiful flowers, a Hello Kitty bouquet. Are you kidding me? And roses, my literal favorite. And then I got my makeup done by Rubina. Oh my gosh, this glam never fails. Now here is my birthday video. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't seen this, go check this out on freaking Instagram. It is so fire. I'm so obsessed, y'all, with the music. It just like ties everything in together, but obviously copyright. But tell me this dress isn't fire. This is from Angel Brinks. I modeled for her about 2 years ago in the summertime. Absolutely beautiful. So I was like, perfect thing that I waited to wear this dress. So fire.
Eventually.
It's my 25th birthday today, so we're having a Spongebob party, and I'm dressed up as birthday Pearl. Anthony's knocked out, but he's Kevin. Anthony, Kevin, wake up. Kevin, wake up.
Oh, I'm tired.
Mr. Krabs. Give me the secret formula. I'm Spongebob and I love jellyfishing.
Am I a pretty girl?
Hi, I'm Patrick Star.
I am Squidward. I hate everyone.
I'm Squidward. Hi, I'm Sandy.
My name is Lady Service.
I am Gary. Soy la casa de Bob Esponja.
The winners are between Lisette and Billy. So I need you guys to do a dance-off competition.
She might.
The next day.
Anthony, please. Not SpongeBob, please. No, not Pat. I think he got the point. Oh my gosh, Anthony looks so good. Where'd you go?
Came up from the gym. Ready?
Let me see, we turn around. Oh my. Look back at me. Look back at me. You took him back. Come back. Not real. It's not real. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know that it wasn't the usual type of glow up video, but there's gonna be so many more coming because, girl, I have not reached my summer glow up. Like, we still have all of August, and that was back in July. I know I'm just a little bit late. I've been just trying to enjoy myself this summer. I have one already in the works, and I'm so excited because the look that I'm gonna do is just, you guys are not freaking ready. So proper one coming up very, very soon, and I'm so excited to show you guys. But thank you guys so much for all the love on my birthday. I just felt so loved, and definitely a lot more loved than I did feel last birthday, because my last birthday was a little rough, not gonna lie. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.